Hi, my name is Jenny, and I am a co-owner of the Fresno Grocery Outlet. I think the biggest thing with Grocery Outlet is trying to find the best bargain you can for the customer. You know, the way that our buyers purchase things and find deals for us and how we can then pass along that deal to the customers.
So I'm always getting the things that I could have the customers save the most. I'm not as concerned about how much I make. I'm trying to get more of a wow, you know, when somebody comes in and they just see something. I want that word specifically to come out of people's mouths.
Being able to give that to customers is really important to me as a parent. Feeding kids, 3 teenage boys, not fun, not cheap. And this store makes it easier. So every mom that can go home and sigh a breath of relief because she actually can pay her bills and feed her kids, it really means a lot to us. It's important. Most of the people we get through Workforce are very eager to work. They're not the employee that's gonna call in and just blow off the hours. If they can't make it because they're sick, they wanna make those hours up. If they come in late, they wanna stay late. They wanna, make sure that they put in everything that they are supposed to put into it. It's a really good program we call it our Grocery Outlet training. You come in and you get to train for the job, and we get to see your skills and whether or not you're a good fit before we hire you on, and also give that, feedback of what would be necessary to get hired on.
You get to kind of teach them from scratch, and even if I'm not able to bring them on at the end, which sometimes I'm full and I can't, I just want to at least give them the most amount of experience they could get here while they're here.
One of the big things we offer here is we really want to have a fun environment. Everybody here has a good time. We like to keep up the spirits.
Try to keep it just fun and lighthearted, but at the same time, we need that hustle. So it's like that's the reward for working hard, is that you get to work with cool bosses. We're not going to be mean.
Back in June 2022 summer, I was just applying everywhere, and nobody would get back to me, no email nor get back or nothing. And then I finally heard about Workforce through a friend, and I just went and I took the class, and I'm here.
When we got in Kello, he was just so upbeat and so happy, and it fit into that vibe that I was saying that we have here. And he really stood out as somebody that just had the personality that was perfect.
So in the morning, I open the door, set the alarm, sweep the floors, scrub it, clean all the bathrooms, and then put the carts out, bale any cardboard in the back, clean up the whole back, and then I register until 11, and then I'm everywhere else.
We were able to put him in so many departments. He's done deli, he's done frozen, he's done grocery. That's why he got the store opening position, is because he can do everything here. And to have the personality that goes with it is great.
Adriana was the second one, really quiet. I wasn't sure about her, honestly, right? Because I was like, she doesn't talk enough. She's not smiling at the customers as much.
When I came down, she was kind of shy, and he was like, I think you're gonna like her, but she's just shy. And so I made it my mission to break her out of her shell.
I was nervous about meeting other people because I didn't really have good social skills. But once I had met them, the nervous came out, and I started being more talkative to them. It's really fun working here, and the employees are great and helpful. We work hard, but we're a team. We do it together.
Watching Adriana grow into the person that she has become, and the manager from just, a cashier, and work her way up, has been very heartwarming.
I think the coolest thing is really just at the end, when you can hire them, how happy they are, right? And when you have the space, and how much gratitude they have that you took a chance on them.
It's a great way to find young talent that is eager and really wants that job, and you do get that time to kind of assess them and to see what their skills are, and even just put them in different departments, so by the time you hire them on, you already know where they'll fit. I would like to thank the Fresno Regional Workforce Development Board for this award. I would also like to thank Monisha for putting our name out there in the hat and noticing and recognizing our awesome store here, which we wouldn't have if it weren't for the employees, my awesome significant other, Justin, and all of the amazing customers that we have here. Also, a little thank you to my kids for dealing with us going through the whole process of having a store, because Mom and Dad aren't always around as much, but we love you guys, and thank you very much.